What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and welcome to the first episode of SneakerU.
This is going to be a series where we help educate you, the viewer, on anything related to sneakers.
So today we're going to be going over the ins and outs of how to buy sneakers on StockX. Now, this video is targeted more for beginners, but even if you are familiar with StockX, there still could be some tips that you can learn along the way. But without further ado, let's first dive into how to buy your favorite sneakers on StockX. All right, so let's start by clicking the affiliate link down in the description. So as a disclaimer before we get started, for formatting, we are going to be using a desktop version of StockX, but they have an extremely useful app as well that you can download on iOS and on Android. Now, before you begin to look around, I'd recommend creating a StockX account because you won't be able to make any type of purchase before you do that. So let's go ahead and go over that really quick.
So first, StockX will ask some general info from you, such as your first and last name, an email address, and of course a password to protect your account. Once you have that all filled out, go ahead and agree to the terms of service below and click sign up. Be sure to check your inbox for a verification email from StockX so you can activate your account. Now from there, it's going to take you to a page that you should see a few different categories that you're interested in. Some of those categories to choose from include sneakers, collectibles, streetwear, watches, or even handbags. So for us, we're going to click the sneakers category and scroll down to the finish button. Now that you're on the home page of StockX, it's time to find the sneaker that you want to buy. If you already have a certain pair in mind, you can always just use the search bar and search it to help. If you don't have something in mind, you can also scroll down further on the home page, and from there you can see different categories based on either most popular, new, lowest ask, or even you can search by brand.
All right, so for today, we're going to be going with the newest colorway to release for the Air Jordan 4, the Jordan 4 University Blue. So make sure to activate cashback from Rakuten if you have an account. But if you don't have one yet and you want to sign up to get free cash back, there's going to be a link to do that in our description below. So breaking down this page, on the left, you can see the size. And by clicking on that, it's going to bring a drop-down menu with all available sizes and what the current selling price is. But we will go ahead and back out of that really fast. And to the right, it shows you what the most recent sale price was for this shoe. And you can use the buy button, which pretty much works the same as the all size button, meaning that it's going to show you what all of the asking prices are for that shoe. And it shows you what the prices are that you could buy them for in this moment. And you'll want to be sure to go ahead and factor in $14 for shipping, which is going to be the standard buying rate on StockX. And then of course, don't forget about those processing fees as well, which is going to be accounting for them verifying that the shoes are authentic when they get there. So the charges can begin to rack up, but everyone has a price for what they want. But another quick and easy way to buy shoes on StockX is going to be through their partnership with Affirm. And what that's going to do is it will allow you to pay off your shoes over time. Usually they are going to require a down payment, and then the rate after that is 10 to 30% APR until you have them paid off. And again, of course, that's not going to be for everyone. The question is always going to be, how badly do you want a shoe in your collection?
If the buy now price is currently out of your budget, you can also place a bid. So a bid is basically a way for you as a buyer to tell sellers how much you're willing to pay for that sneaker. You can put whatever amount you like, but if you place a low bid, don't expect sellers to really accept it. So to set a bid on StockX, what you're going to have to do is click that buy/bid button. From there, select your size, and then it's actually going to take you to the buy now screen first. But what you do instead is if you click that place bid on the left of that tab, that's going to allow you to input the price at whatever you're going to be willing to purchase those sneakers at. Also, bids do eventually expire, but you can also set that expiration up to 60 days. And I do believe the default is set for 30 days. But once your bid has been accepted, or you just buy the shoe outright, the seller will have 2 to 3 business days to accept the order and pack out those shoes. Now, on average, since the shoes do have to go to StockX first for verification, the shipping time usually takes between 7 and 12 days for you to actually receive the sneaker. So it's not the lightning fast shipping that you're used to, but when you are spending hundreds of dollars on sneakers, you really want StockX to take their time and get it right.
That's going to wrap it up for our first episode of SneakerU, how to buy sneakers on StockX. Thank you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and you like sneaker related content, be sure to subscribe for more.
And lastly, for any information on sneaker news, available shoes for sale, or just anything that we do, click the link in our bio and check that out. But until next episode, peace.